Hey folks, head lice are wingless insects that spend their entire life on the human scalp. Did you know that lice do not hop, jump, or fly? The only way they can get from one person to another is by touching, either by direct head-to-head contact or indirect, for example, by sharing a hat that has lice in it. Let's look at lice up close. Comment below, have you ever had head lice? It's okay to admit it.
And what we're seeing with lice in the United States is that it's not really responding to those over-the-counter chemical treatments anymore. So experts recommend one of these kind of really intense combs, a lot of hard work and attention to detail.
1 in 1,000 of you will click subscribe. Be that 1/10 of 1%. Also, click like now.